Hello, I am host of Tips and Tricks By Zeekay. Here is skincare tips. Stay tuned with us. Creating some skincare tips and tricks is an extensive task that goes beyond the scope of a single response. However, I can provide you with a diverse selection of skincare tips and tricks to cover various aspects of skincare. Please find below a curated list of 50 skincare tips and tricks to get you started. Always cleanse your face before going to bed to remove makeup and impurities. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Apply sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher daily, even on cloudy days. Exfoliate your skin 2-3 times a week to remove dead skin cells. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Moisturize your skin regularly to maintain its hydration. Avoid touching your face frequently to prevent the spread of bacteria. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply lip balm with SPF to protect your lips from sun damage. Incorporate antioxidants like vitamin C into your skincare routine to combat free radicals. Get enough sleep to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, especially during dry seasons. Massage your face gently to improve blood circulation and relax facial muscles. Wear sunglasses to protect the delicate skin around your eyes from sun exposure. Don't forget to apply sunscreen on your neck and chest as well. Use products with hyaluronic acid to retain skin moisture. Avoid hot showers, as they can strip the skin of its natural oils. Consider using a retinoid to improve skin texture and reduce fine lines. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants for healthy skin. Avoid smoking, as it accelerates skin aging and causes wrinkles. Remove makeup before exercising to prevent clogged pores. Wash your hands frequently to prevent transferring dirt and bacteria to your face. Avoid using too many skincare products at once, as it can overwhelm your skin. Use a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent wrinkles. Apply aloe vera gel to soothe and hydrate sunburned skin. Use a gentle eye cream to target dark circles and puffiness. Cleanse your face with cool or lukewarm water to avoid drying out your skin. Apply a clay mask once a week to purify and detoxify your skin. Wear protective clothing, like hats and long sleeves, when exposed to the sun. Consider using a vitamin E oil or serum to promote skin healing and reduce scars. Use a primer before applying makeup to create a smooth canvas. Avoid overwashing your face, as it can strip the skin of natural oils. Apply a lip scrub to exfoliate your lips and remove dry skin. Consider incorporating a facial oil into your nighttime routine for added hydration. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake, as they can dehydrate your skin. Use fragrance-free products if you have sensitive skin to avoid irritation. Apply a cold compress to reduce puffiness and inflammation. Be gentle when patting your face dry with a towel after washing. Avoid using hot water to wash your face, as it can cause redness and irritation. Use a makeup remover specifically designed for waterproof mascara and eyeliner. Consider using a vitamin C serum to brighten and even out your skin tone. Apply sunscreen on your hands daily to prevent premature aging. Use a facial mist to refresh your skin throughout the day. Keep your makeup brushes clean to prevent breakouts and skin irritation. Use a silk hair tie to avoid hair breakage and reduce friction on your skin. Consider incorporating a sheet mask into your weekly skincare routine for extra hydration. Avoid using harsh scrubs on your face, as they can cause micro tears in the skin. Massage your scalp regularly to improve blood circulation and promote hair growth. Apply an eye cream with caffeine to reduce under-eye puffiness. Use a gel-based moisturizer if you have oily skin to avoid clogged pores. Remember that every individual's skin is unique, so it's essential to tailor your skincare routine to suit your specific needs and concerns. Always consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional if you have specific skin conditions or concerns. If you like the video, share with friends. Subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Take care. Bye for now. Thanks for your time.